Easy way for 50 to 80 years old. Eat 4 seeds in the morning. As we grow older, life teaches us many lessons. We realize that money, fame, and possessions mean little if we lose our health. The body that once carried us with unlimited energy slowly begins to demand care, attention, and love. Especially between the ages of 50 and 80, every small choice we make for our body matters more than ever. And here's the good news. Staying healthy doesn't always require complicated diets, expensive supplements, or long hours in the gym. Sometimes the simplest habits bring the biggest results. One of those habits is as small as a handful of seeds in the morning. Yes, just 4 powerful seeds can protect your heart, sharpen your memory, strengthen your bones, and even keep your skin glowing in old age. So, today, let us discover the 4 miracle seeds that every person between 50 and 80 should eat daily in the morning. Not only will I explain the science behind them, but I'll also tell you how they impact your energy, your digestion, your immunity, and even your emotions. Stay with me till the end, because these seeds may add extra years to your life. Why seeds matter after 50? Our body is like a car. When it's brand new, you can drive it roughly, ignore oil changes, and it still runs fine. But as the car ages, you must service it carefully, give it the right fuel, and maintain it if you want it to run smoothly. After the age of 50, the body's natural repair system slows down. Metabolism drops, bones lose density, muscles shrink, and memory sometimes becomes weaker. But seeds are nature's compact gift. Each tiny seed contains proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our aging body desperately needs. Think of seeds as powerful capsules created by nature, without chemicals, without side effects. Now, let's talk about the 4 seeds that should be on your plate every single morning. 1. Flax seeds, the heart protector. Flax seeds are often called the miracle seed for heart health. Why? Because they are the richest plant source of omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your heart young and arteries flexible. For people between 50 and 80, heart disease is the #1 danger. Blood pressure, cholesterol, and blockages increase with age. But a spoonful of flax seeds daily can reduce cholesterol, prevent clot formation, and protect your heart. They also contain lignans, which balance hormones and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. They fight inflammation, which is the root of arthritis, joint pain, and stiffness. And surprisingly, they even keep constipation away, something very common in older age. The easiest way to consume them? Roast them lightly and chew them like snacks in the morning, or grind them and mix into warm water. 2. Pumpkin seeds, the bone and sleep booster. The second seed on our list is pumpkin seeds. These tiny green seeds are packed with magnesium, a mineral that most people after 50 are severely lacking. Without magnesium, your bones become fragile, your muscles cramp, and your sleep quality drops. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc, which boosts immunity and helps fight infections. As we age, immunity weakens, and the body doesn't fight colds and flu as strongly as before. Just a handful of pumpkin seeds can strengthen your defense system. And here's something even more powerful. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, a natural compound that helps your brain produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. If you are above 60 and struggle with sleepless nights, pumpkin seeds can be your natural sleeping pill. 3. Sunflower seeds, the energy and skin healer. When we think of old age, many imagine weakness and fatigue, but it doesn't have to be that way. Sunflower seeds are little packets of vitamin E, which is not only an antioxidant but also a healer of skin, tissues, and nerves. Vitamin E prevents premature aging, wrinkles, and dryness of skin. It also protects nerves, which means it may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and nerve-related diseases. Sunflower seeds are also rich in healthy fats and B vitamins, which boost energy and mood. So, if you often feel tired after doing simple tasks, sunflower seeds can bring back your strength. 4. Chia seeds, the digestive and brain supporter. Finally, let's talk about chia seeds, the little black seeds that can absorb water and turn into a gel-like form. These are incredibly rich in fiber, which keeps digestion smooth and prevents constipation, a very common problem after 60. But more importantly, chia seeds stabilize blood sugar levels. Many people above 50 struggle with diabetes, and chia can help prevent sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar. They are also brain food. Chia seeds support memory, focus, and alertness. If you sometimes forget names, misplace things, or struggle to concentrate, chia can support brain function. How to eat these 4 seeds together. Now you may wonder, should I eat them separately, or can I mix them? The best way is to create a simple seed mix at home. Take 2 spoons flax seeds, 2 spoons pumpkin seeds, 2 spoons sunflower seeds, 2 spoons chia seeds. Roast flax seeds and pumpkin seeds lightly, never over roast. Keep sunflower and chia raw. Mix them together and store in a glass jar. Every morning, take 1 to 2 spoons of this mix with warm water, or sprinkle over curd, oatmeal, or even plain roti. This tiny habit will nourish your heart, brain, skin, bones, and digestion. All in one go. The bigger picture, seeds and longevity. Let us pause and think. What do we truly want between the ages of 50 and 80? We don't need to climb mountains or run marathons. All we want is to live without pain, sleep peacefully, walk without a stick, remember the names of our loved ones, and smile with our grandchildren. Seeds may look small, but they are silent healers. They work slowly, day by day, building strength in your bones, flexibility in your arteries, clarity in your mind, and calmness in your emotions. Remember, in old age, medicine treats illness, but habits prevent illness. Seeds are not medicine, but they are protection, your bodyguard in every bite. Final words. So, my dear elders and respected listeners, if you are between 50 and 80 years old, start your morning with these 4 seeds. They are cheap, easily available, and require no special preparation. But the benefits they give can add years of healthy life to you. Life after 50 doesn't mean slowing down. It means living smarter, lighter, and healthier. Every day you eat these seeds, think of them as a gift you are giving to your future self. Because at the end of life, we don't regret what we ate. We regret what we ignored. And seeds are too powerful to ignore. Eat them daily. Stay strong. Stay happy. Stay alive, not just in body, but in spirit. Hit that subscribe button and join us on a journey through the timeless wisdom of the older generation. Don't miss a single life-changing lesson.